Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem your interest from piggy bank. So first of all, go to the link in my description box below and you will see the link to your dashboard, the link to your piggy bank account. So click on it and enter. If you have an account already with piggy bank, just go to login section, click on login, and it will show you this page will be displayed for you. Enter your email or your phone number depending on what you use in registering your account. So you enter your email or phone number and then enter your password, then click secure. As you can see here, they place your name and say wash your hand, it's time for lunch. Okay, then you scroll down and click on get piggy bank in savings interest for December. Click on it. So your interest is acquired every month. Once it's the end of the month, you have to come here and redeem your interest. Have to load. I have to enter my okay. So here you say you received 14.64 interest on your piggy bank. Now this interest depends on the amount that is inside your piggy bank account. So you click on receive my interest. If you like, you can give them a note, but it's optional. Click on receive my interest for December, and your interest will be sent to your flex account directly. That's 2 seconds ago. 78.40, which is actually, so the total in my flex account now is 138. Some amount was already there, so it's 138 right now. And so once you are done, you can log out, and that is how you redeem your interest for the month. Now it says you simply logged out and take you to the home of your Piggyvest account. Alright, if this video has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my video so that you won't miss out on any video that I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.